Hello, everyone. This is Erica Dorman here with Behind the Thrills. I got Austin from Amusement Insider riding with me. We are going out of the station right now here at Gwazi at Busch Gardens, Tampa. I'm excited for this. This is my very first time riding this. You've been on it earlier, so please don't spoil it for me. I mean, ooh, I like this. Hi. Drop. Right on up into the lift hill. Oh, wow, this is steep. I was not expecting this to be this steep. So we are currently going up the height of 206 feet. And then top speed's gonna be 76. The drop's gonna be 91 degrees. I'm excited for this, my very first time. I am slightly freaking out. Oh, hey, hi. Uh-oh, wow. Oh my God, there's Cheetah Hunt over there. Monty looks so tiny from there. Oh, we were at the very top. Hi, you can see the top of Falcon's Fury. That is crazy. Oh my God. I'm ready for this. You ready? Let's do it! Faster than 76. What about you? Oh, that was so much fun. Oh, I can understand why everyone's like coming off this thing crying. Wow, you guys got to come out and check this out. Platinum Passport preview start this Sunday. Open to the public March 11th. Make sure you get out here and try this. This is amazing. Woo! I can't wait to try the back next. Woo! Come on down. Thank you so much for riding with us. Woo! Woo!